Hello. Yesterday we did some exercises. The first one was this, a speaking one. I vam fer uns exercicis. El primer era un de speaking. You had this, okay, and you had this, right? One person had this information, the other person had this information, okay? So, and you had to ask questions. This is about countries and cities, right? So we had to ask, where is Masako from? To know this, to know the country. D'on és na Masako, per saber el país. The answer is Masako, or she, is from Japan. Masako és de Japó, okay? Where in Japan? To know the city. On de Japó. Where in Japan? She's from Osaka, okay? Where is Ali from? Where is Ali from? Ali is from Turkey. Where in Turkey? In Ankara, okay? Where is Carlo from? Carlo is from Italy. Where in Italy? He's from Milan, okay? We always say he's from Italy, he's from Milan. Where is Maria from? Maria is from Mexico. Where in Mexico? She's from Acapulco, okay? Lila is from Hungary. Where is Lila from? She's from Hungary. Where in Hungary? She's from Budapest. Where is Oliver from? Oliver is from Germany. Where in Germany? He's from Berlin. Okay? And then we did this. You had to choose one of these countries and think about the cities in the countries. Choose one, and someone else asks you, where are you from? Okay, and you can choose, I'm from Scotland. Where in Scotland? I'm from Edinburgh. Okay, or where are you from? I am from Japan. Where in Japan? I'm from Nara. Okay, where are you from? I'm from the United States, or the US, or the USA. Where in the US? I am from Portland. Okay? El segon exercici era agafar un d'aquests països, els que volguéssiu, pensar en les ciutats que coneixeu d'aquests països, que sabeu que són aquí, i respondre en aquestes preguntes un altre pic. Where are you from? D'on ets? I dir I am from, i el país, I am from Scotland, soc d'Escòcia. I després, d'on d'Escòcia? Where in Scotland? I am from Edinburgh, soc d'Edimburgo, okay? That was the beginning. Okay, then we did vocabulary. You have seen the numbers. Heu vist els números del 0 al 20, right? 0 to 20. Del 20 al 100 és molt fàcil. It's very easy. You have 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, i després, de cada 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, etc., tenim un guió, a hyphen in English, un guió, a hyphen, i els números de su en el 9. D'acord? Només heu de recordar els 20, els 30, els 40, els 50, els 60, els 70, els 80 i els 90, perquè després ve un guió i su, un guió i els dos, un guió i els tres, ok? So 20, 21, 22, 23, etc. Remember, 13, 13, 30, 30. 14, 14, 40, 40. 15, 15, 50, 50. 16, 16, 60, 60. 17, 17, 70, 70. 18, 18, 80, 80. 19, 19, 90, 90. Okay? Després 100. Els següents de 100, 101. Si fos 120, 120. 169, 169. Okay? Quan xerram dels anys, vale? Des de 1910, from 1920 until the 2000s, and then from 2010 to now, so de 1910 fins l'any 2000 i des 2010 fins ara, el que normalment feim és agrupar-los amb dos. Per exemple, 1900. I was born in 1992. Jo vaig néixer el 1992. In English we say 1992. Okay? 1992. My brother was born in 1976. D'acord? No deim 1976, deim 1976. D'acord? Menys entre l'any 2000 i el 2010, que deim 2000, 2001, 2002. Now it's 2020. We say 2020. Next year, 2021. 2 years from now, 2022. Okay? I això mos du a que vàrem aprendre a escriure la data en anglès. A la data s'utilitzen els números, però s'utilitzen ordinals, d'acord? Com si fos el primer, el segon, el tercer. Com ho heu de recordar? S'escriu així. Monday és més el dia de la setmana, Monday, 19th October 2020. Recordeu, els mesos i els dies de setmana sempre en majúscula, capital letters. In English, always Monday, October. Per tant, posam els dies de setmana, el número i després, quasi sempre, una TH. Els menys, first, second, third, 21st, 22nd, 23rd, 31st. Els podeu veure aquí. Veus? First, second, third, després fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20th, 21st, 22nd, 23rd, 24th, 25th, 26th, 27th, 28th, 29th, 30th. Okay? So her birthday is on the 29th. My birthday is on the 30th. Okay? També s'utilitza per dir, per exemple, els segles. Shakespeare was born in the 16th century. We don't use Roman numerals in English. No s'utilitzen els números romans per dir segles en anglès. D'acord? Per tant, per recordar com feim les dates, totes posam una TH, menys first, second, third, 21st, 22nd, 23rd, and 31st. Per què 11, 12 i 13 no? Pues perquè 11 no és 10, 1, com 21st, no? 21. No, 20 primer, sinó que és 11th. Per tant, aquests tres no. TH, ok? All of the dates have this. Right. Next. Què més vàrem fer? The alphabet. Do you know how to say the alphabet? We spelled our names. We did this. So, A. Vàrem fer l'alfabet, vàrem deletrejar els nostres noms i aquestes paraules. So we have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, Z, la Z, en anglès britànic, in British English, we say Z. In American, en Amèrica deim Z. Per tant, Z o Z està bé, d'acord? My name, for example, is Lucia. My surname, el meu llinatge és González. Gonzalez. Okay? And then we spell this, train, Train, tree, Tree, egg, Egg, bike, Bike, phone, Phone, boot, Boot, car, Car. Okay, and we did this, groups of letters, E-A-I. Remember the vowels? A-E-I-O-U. Different, okay? Les vocals són diferents. Okay? E-A-I. Okay, this one. G-J. G-J. K-Q. K-Q. C-S. C-S. V-P-B. V-P-B. M-N. V, W, Y, U, okay? And these are words, okay? Concepts, words, countries that we only use their first letters to refer to them. Això són paraules que normalment abreviam a només dues o tres lletres. Per exemple, un PC, a personal computer, a PC. A very important person, una persona VIP, a VIP. The United Kingdom, Regne Unit, UK. The United States of America, Estats Units d'Amèrica, USA. També podem dir US, d'acord? The European Union, EU. Unió Europea, en català, en castellà, és Unió Europea, UE. En anglès és EU, EU, okay? Portable Document Format, un PDF, PDF. World Wide Web, so web, www, or 3 W's, okay? And the NBA, so NBA, basket, NBA, okay? I després varen fer això. Varen fer com un qüestionari que cadascú va contestar. What's your first name? Quin és el teu nom? What's your surname? El teu llinatge? How do you spell it? Com el de letratges, okay? Like G-O-N. How old are you? Where are you from? What's your address? What's your postcode? Postcode vol dir codi postal. What's your email address? What's your phone number? D'acord? I em varen fer un parell més. What's your favorite TV show? What's your favorite film? What's your favorite book? What's your favorite food? What's your favorite restaurant? Who's your favorite singer or band? Com contestam? What's your first name? My first name is Lucia. What's your surname? My surname is Gonzalez. How do you spell it? G-O-N-Z, etc. Okay? How old are you? Remember, I am 28 years old. Where are you from? I am from Palma. What is your address? So you say my address is carrer, blah, 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 okay? What is your postcode? My postcode is 07006, okay? What's your email address? Okay, when we talk about email addresses, quan xerram de direccions de correu electrònic, hi ha dues coses que no sabeu. Com se diu s'arroba i com se diu es punt. S'arroba se diu at, en anglès, at. I es punt, dot. Per exemple, lucia@gmail.com seria lucia@gmail.com, okay? Your phone number, okay, phone number we say 65432, like this, okay? Si tenim un 0 en el nostre telèfon, el 0 se diu 0, menys si tenim un 0 en el telèfon que se diu O. Només en els números de telèfon, imagineu-vos, el nostre telèfon és 600 34 34 34, so it's 6000 343434, okay? What's my favorite TV show? My favorite TV show is. What's your favorite film? My favorite film is. What's your favorite food? My favorite food is. What's your favorite restaurant? My favorite restaurant is. And who is your favorite singer? My favorite singer is. Okay? I think that's everything we did. Yeah, that's everything we did. The alphabet, this is the exercise from the alphabet. And that's everything we did. I hope to see you in the next class. Bye.